Let's move on to selecting columns with the query method. So let's say we're doing this query right here. So we're just checking that events is either snow or rain. And we want to select these three columns. So first let's make the selection without doing any column selection, like this. So this is one unfortunate thing about the query method. You cannot select columns simultaneously. It'll have to happen outside or after the query method has run. So with loc, if you recall, you can simultaneously select rows and columns. This is not possible with the query method. So you have to either save this data frame to its own variable name and then just do your normal column selection, or you can do it at the same time. So here I will use the square brackets for column selection and then place my column selection, which is a list of strings like that, and then run this again, and then get the result I want with just those columns.